Have you ever been locked out? Not out of your house, but out of an essential online tool you rely on daily? That sudden jolt of panic when you realize your password, the key to your digital workspace, has slipped your mind? We've all been there. It's frustrating, inconvenient, and often happens at the worst possible moment. Maybe you're about to confirm a crucial appointment, or perhaps you need to check your schedule for the day, and then nothing. Just that dreaded, incorrect password message staring back at you. It's a common scenario, and it's particularly disruptive when the tool in question is something like Setmore, your go-to for managing appointments, clients, and your entire booking flow. Setmore is designed to streamline your business, to make things easier, not to throw up digital roadblocks. But human memory, as brilliant as it is, can sometimes be fallible, especially when we're juggling dozens of passwords for various platforms. Or maybe you've been particularly security conscious lately and updated your password to something incredibly complex, only to find that complexity has now become a barrier to your own access. Perhaps you're using a new device and your autofill isn't working its magic, leaving you to manually input a password you can't quite recall. The reasons are varied, but the outcome is the same. You need to get back into Setmore, and you need to do it now. The good news is that Setmore, like most well-designed platforms, has a robust and user-friendly system for helping you regain access when you've forgotten your password. They understand that life happens, and they've made the process of resetting your password as straightforward and painless as possible. There's no need to panic, no need to call customer support immediately, though they're always there if you need them. You can resolve this issue yourself, quickly and efficiently, and get back to what you do best, running your business. So, let's walk through this process together, step by step. Imagine this as your digital emergency kit, a clear and concise guide to getting back into your Setmore account when your memory decides to take a vacation. We're going to cover everything from recognizing the signs that you need a reset to navigating the Setmore login page and beyond. It's less about a technical deep dive and more about a practical, actionable guide that you can refer to whenever you find yourself in this all-too-common predicament. The first thing you'll want to do, of course, is head over to the Setmore login page. This is usually where the journey begins and ends for most of us. You'll see the familiar fields for your email address and password. If you've tried a few times and it's clear your current password isn't working, resist the urge to keep guessing. Repeated incorrect attempts can sometimes lead to temporary lockouts, which just adds another layer of frustration. Instead, look for the text that usually says something like, "Forgot password?" or "Trouble logging in." This is your golden ticket. It's usually a small, clickable link, strategically placed to be easily found when you're in a bind. Clicking on "Forgot password" will take you to a new page designed specifically for password recovery. Here, Setmore will ask you to enter the email address associated with your account. This is a crucial step because it's how Setmore verifies your identity and ensures that only you can reset your password. It's a security measure to protect your valuable business data from unauthorized access. Make absolutely sure you enter the correct email address, the one you used when you originally signed up for Setmore. If you have multiple email addresses, take a moment to confirm which one is linked to your Setmore account. A common mistake here is using a personal email when you registered with a business email, or vice versa. Once you've entered your email address, Setmore will send a password reset link to that email inbox. This is where you'll need to switch gears and open up your email client. Be patient, as sometimes these emails can take a minute or two to arrive, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow or if your email provider is experiencing high traffic. Also, and this is a big one, check your spam or junk folder. Automated emails, especially those with links, can sometimes be mistakenly flagged by email filters. So, if you don't see it in your main inbox after a couple of minutes, a quick peek into the spam folder could save you a lot of time and frustration. Once you locate the email from Setmore, open it up. Inside, you'll find a link that says something like, "Reset your password," or "Click here to reset." This link is time-sensitive for security reasons, so don't delay. Clicking on it will take you back to the Setmore website, but this time to a special page where you can create a brand new password. Now, this is your chance to set a strong, memorable, and unique password. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays, pet names, or consecutive numbers. Aim for a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The stronger your password, the more secure your Setmore account will be. You'll typically be asked to enter your new password twice, once in the new password field and again in the confirm new password field. This is to ensure accuracy and prevent typos. Double-check that both entries match exactly. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, hit the Reset Password or Submit button. You should then see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. This is your cue that you're good to go. Now, head back to the Setmore login page. Use your newly created password to log in. And just like that, you're back in. Your schedule, your client list, your services, everything should be right there, exactly as you left it. It's a moment of relief, isn't it? The digital roadblock has been cleared, and you can resume your operations without skipping a beat. It's also a good habit, once you're back in, to perhaps jot down your new password in a secure location, or better yet, use a reliable password manager. These tools can securely store all your complex passwords, so you only have to remember one master password. This not only enhances your security, but also prevents future lockout situations. Remember, forgetting a password is not a sign of failure. It's a common occurrence in our increasingly digital world. The key is knowing how to effectively and efficiently resolve the issue. Setmore has designed its password reset process with user convenience and security in mind, making it a straightforward task that you can handle yourself. By following these simple steps, you can quickly regain access to your account and keep your business running smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.